Hi, welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. Hey, I hope you guys are doing good. I'm glad to be back to be doing another video. So for those of you who are new, my name is Norma and I love doing videos on anything on beauty. So if those are your type of videos, you should consider subscribing and definitely click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you for joining me, and I'm glad to see you back to see another one of my videos. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Glamlite products. I've never tried anything from them. I've seen a bunch of pictures all over Instagram about their products. So as a person who loves makeup, I did some research on these products, and I liked everything that I read and that I heard mentioned from other people who bought their products. So I'm going to be showing you what I purchased, just some of the products that I gravitated towards. They do have many more other products, but I only bought the ones that really caught my eye. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. All right, so let's look at some of the, let's look at my box that I bought. So here's my box. It does come with some postcards. So this one here, it says, this one's to the birthday cake. Hi Glam Foodies, the world's most delicious cake is fresh out of the oven. We can't wait to see all of the sweet looks you create with this palette. Want to save some money? Get 15% off. Use the code GLAM15. So if you guys want to use it. All right, and this one is towards the donut palette. So it has a picture of the owner, which is nice, and it kind of tells you a little bit about them here. I'll just kind of read a little bit about it because I think it's kind of interesting. Glamlite Cosmetics founder Giselle creates food-themed makeup as a way to promote self-love and acceptance. After many years of being bullied due to being overweight, she decided to combine her love for food and makeup and stand up to fat shaming and bullying. Wow, that's really nice, and she's so beautiful too. There's a comment here: through food inspired makeup, I'm creating this judgment-free zone in the makeup industry to let others know it's okay to love yourself as you are. Makeup doesn't have to be a one size fits all. That is beautiful. And this is her. Isn't she beautiful? She's gorgeous. Yeah. And of course there's a code on the back as well, GLAM15, if you're looking to get at least 15% off your order. Okay, all right, so this one here is the donut palette. Wow. It comes really nicely boxed. The box is nice and solid, which I really like. Wow. The palette's got like little diamonds in there. Well, not really diamonds, but like more like, they're not like stickers either. I think it's just like painted on there. Really nice. Yeah. On the back, it's got the picture of the donut. And guys, it is cruelty free. Yeah, nice. All right, so I'll show you the products and then I'll start opening them. All right, so, and they do come nicely packaged. Look, they come in these sleeves, so there's nicely protected. And so this next one is the cake. Again, it comes in a nice bubble sleeve, which is really nice. And you want your items to come nicely packaged so nothing comes broken. And look, this is really nice. I like the whole pink theme. It looks so pretty. And of course it's got the eyeshadows on the back. And it does have their names on them too. It's a nice big size too. I think this is so cute. The oven dials. That is so cute. Alright, and this one here, again, nicely packaged. And I think this order, it took about a week to get here from the time I ordered it. So I think it's pretty reasonable considering today's condition with COVID-19 and shipments getting delayed. I think a week it's good. So let's look at this one. So this one is called Concha. So I know I mentioned, maybe I think it was called pan dulce, but pan dulce is just sweet bread in Spanish. But the name of this bread is called Concha. I guess the way it's, that's the type of this bread. It's called Concha. So this is a highlighter. It's really cute. Look at the back. Look at that. It comes with more bubble wrapping. That's nice. Cute. Ooh, look how nice that is. That's beautiful. If you guys haven't tried pan dulce, sweet bread, Mexican bread, it is so good. But you just gotta be careful not to eat too much of it. Look how pretty that is. That is pretty. Hey, if you guys want me to do actual reviews on each of these, comment down below and let me know. And if there's enough comments, enough desire, I will go ahead and do a review for each of these products. Or maybe I'll just review all three of them in one video. Yeah, so comment down below. All right. Oh, you know, I was thinking, I forgot. If you guys happen to like this look that I have on, this is the Dose of Colors Cutting Edge Eyeshadow Palette. And if you guys are curious on how I came up with this look or want to know more about the palette, I'll put the video card up here so you guys can click on it and it'll take you right to the video, just in case you're curious. All right, so that was this one. It's a highlighter, so it's purple. Let's look at this one, the cake. Alright, so I took it out already. I took the plastic off. So it does seem to open up from here. This is so cute. Look at nice flap. Oh, and it's got the cherries on top too. Oh my lord, this cake looks delicious. It looks very, very good. All right, let's take it out. So it's inside this box in here. So you do have to kind of pull it out. You have to pull the palette out from the box. All right, so the palette here, it is sort of like raised, like you can feel the sprinkles, so it's sort of embossed. Yeah, and there's embossing here all over. It's pretty, just like right here. This is nice. All right, let's open it. Oh, wow. Pigmentation, wow. All right, it does come with a mirror, guys. Okay, so right here, but I'll flip it on this side so I don't blind you. Wow, this is really pretty. Look how pretty this is. Look at those shimmers. Wow. They're gorgeous, right? Yeah. It's so pretty. Yeah, guys, so comment down below if you want me to do a review on this, and I'll do some swatches and do a makeup look with it as well. Let me know. But yeah, this is so pretty. So very pretty. Alright, so now let's open this one. Alright, look how nice this looks. Alright, let's open the box. Oh, I like how it's foiled. Their name is foiled. That looks so pretty. Oh, I'm a sucker for packaging. Alright. Yeah, so comes in like this with the plastic. You could just pull it out from here. You guys can save this box. I would. It's so pretty. And it's pretty hard and sturdy too. Might have a use for it. Alright, that's how it looks. That is so pretty. It's soft too, like cushioning. Yeah. On the back too. So yeah, it says, Glam Donut is the most glamorous donut you've ever seen. Look at that. It kind of even, these like, the little diamonds here, they kind of sparkle. Very nice. Yeah, even on the front too, I think. Yeah, see? Very nice. Alright, let's open it. Oh my, this is so cute. It's so girly, so nice. Alright, it does come with a mirror. So I'll just kind of flip it here so it doesn't blind you. But look, and it does come with the little plastic film. Guys, this palette is beautiful. Look at that. Those colors are intense. Very nice. Wow, I'm really wowed. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait to actually try them out. So as far as pricing, the birthday cake was $40. The donut is $22 and the highlighter is $14. So yeah, and like I mentioned earlier, shipping wasn't so bad. And if you want to use the Glam15 discount code to get some discount off your pricing, I think you might like that. So feel free to use that code Glam15. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and definitely click the notification bell so you'll be notified of upcoming videos. And definitely give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Alright, so I will put a lot of the information that I ran over by you down below. I will also include several links to several areas along to my Instagram. Many of the products that I do reviews on, I also do a quick review on Instagram with pictures and makeup looks. So you should really take a look, and yeah, feel free to follow me and I'll keep you updated on things that I'm trying out. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun doing this unboxing, and I hope to see you soon in a different video. Thank you. Bye.